children, after understanding what are factors, multiples and the different types of numbers, now the warm-up exercise has some questions based on this concept. So let us begin with the first question. What number is, which number is neither prime nor composite? Just we discussed that one is neither prime nor composite. So now from here onwards, I am not going to discuss all the questions, because whatever we have discussed in the video, everything is very clearly based on those questions. So if you are going through the video carefully, then you can answer to these questions very well. So instead of going through all the questions, now I am going through few of the sums which you may need my assistance to solve them. So here I am going to question number 5 first. Here find all the numbers that have 9 in units place and then write the factors of those numbers. So there are few numbers given inside some shapes in your book. Now you have to go through all those numbers and find out which numbers have 9 in its units place. So here I have found out the numbers. The numbers are 49, 29, 39 and 9. As 9 itself a one digit number and it is in units place, we have to take 9 also. Now what we have to do, what we are asked to do? We are asked to find their factors. So let us write down their factors. 49. First of all, if we will start dividing it by 1 49s are 49. So 1 and 49 both are the factors of 1. So 1 and 49 you write here, because the greatest factor of 49 will be 49 itself. So 1 and some space I am giving and writing here 49. Then what is the other number by which you can divide 49? You can divide 49 by 2, isn't it? Next, by 3? No. If you all know the tables very well, they are going to help you here. Okay. In 3 table also we have no 49. 49 is not a multiple of 3, not a multiple of 4, not a multiple of 5, 6 and 7. Yes, 7 has 49, that is 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Is there any other number? There are no other numbers by multiplying which you get the number 49. So the factors of 49 are 1, 7 and 49. Next, let us come to the number 29. Children, 29 is a prime number. It cannot be divisible by any number except 1 and 29 itself. So 1 and 29 are the factors of the number 29. Then comes the number 39. 39 is divisible by 1 and 39 as well. 39 is also divisible by 3. How many times it will go? 3 13s is 39. 3 13s is 39. Then it can't be divisible by 4, by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In all these numbers, with all these numbers, 39 cannot be divisible. The next number comes is 13, which we have already got as a factor. So we need not to go in search of the factors anymore. Isn't it? So the factors of 39 are 1, 3, 13 and 39. Next comes the number 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Understood? So one more similar question is given to you. You are asked in question number 6. Find the prime factors. Find the prime factors of all the numbers that have 8 in units place. See children, in question number 8 you are asked to find, in question number 6 you are asked to find the prime factors. So let us solve it. First of all, let us find out what are the numbers that have 8 in its units place. So here we have the number 38, 48, then comes the number 8 and that's it. There are no more numbers. So let me note down 38 and then we have 48, 18. We have 18, 28, Even 48, isn't it? So what you have to do here is we need to find the prime factors. Means we need to find the factors, but the factors should be in terms of prime numbers only. If you will observe here, there are factors, but among these factors we have some composite numbers also. Here 9 is a composite number, 39, 20, 49 is a composite number. So there are some numbers as factors which are composite, but here we need to write down the factors only in terms of prime numbers. Then those set of numbers will be called as factors. So how will we write the prime factors of any given number? What we have to do, this one we can find out by breaking the number in such as 38. 38, how many times it will go? 2, 19 is 38, isn't it? 19 2 is 38. So where 2 is a prime number and 19 is a prime number. So 2 and 19 are the factors of 38, and they will, as well as they are the prime numbers. So they will be called as the prime factors of 38. Similarly, if you will come to 18, we all know that 9 2 is 18. But is 9 and 2, are 9 and 2 both are prime numbers? No. Here 9 is still a composite number, whereas 2 is a prime number. So what we have to do? We have to try to break down the number 9 in such a way that we will write it in the form of product of two prime numbers. So 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3, isn't it? 3 3s is 9. So I have written the number 9 as 3 3s are 9 and 2. So here you see 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So I have split first. I have written the first factors of 18 such as 9 2s are 18. Further I have broken 9 into the product of 3 and 3, where both 3 and these 2 are the prime factors of 18. Understood? So I hope similarly you can do for 28 and 48. Like you can write down 28 as 14 2s are 28, where 2 is a prime number but 14 is not a prime number, but we want prime factors. So what we will do? We will break 14 as 7 2s are 14. So 7 2s are 14 and another 2 we have. So 7 into 2 into 2 will give you the prime factor of 28, and similarly you find out further for 48. Okay. So I have helped you in these two, and the rest two you have to do by yourself. Understood? The next question we have is question number 8. The next we have question number 8, where you are asked to list all the locate and write 3 pairs of twin prime numbers. See children, we have learned what are prime numbers, even we have learned what are co-prime numbers, but we didn't go for twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are nothing but the pair of numbers. Pair means how many? 2. The pair of numbers whose the pair of prime numbers, not only numbers, the pair of prime numbers whose difference is always 2. For example, if you will take two prime numbers 7 and 5. Okay, if you are taking two prime numbers 7 and 5, what is the difference between them? 7 minus 5 is 2. So the pair of prime numbers 7 and 5 will be considered as your twin prime numbers. Now take another example. 11 and 13. 11 is a prime number as well as 13 is a prime number. Now if you will try to find their difference, then you will get 13 minus 11 is again 2. Isn't it? So there are so many such prime numbers whose so many pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2. So here there are few numbers given inside the shapes. From these shapes you have to extract few pair of numbers, those whose different pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2, then such pair of numbers will be called as the twin prime numbers. So here you are asked to find out 3 pairs. So let's find out what are they. Children, in question number 8, you are asked to find out the three pairs of twin prime numbers from the given set of numbers. So here I have found few. Here you see 3, 5. 3 and 5. Both 3 and 5 are prime numbers, as well as if you will find their difference, 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Here one more pair of twin prime numbers I have chosen from the given set of numbers, that is 41 and 43. Both are prime numbers. 41 is also a prime numbers and 43 is also a prime number, where the difference between them is 2. Whereas 29 and 31 are also another twin prime numbers, where 31 minus 29 is also 2. So the pair of numbers, the pair of prime numbers whose difference is 2 will be called as twin prime numbers. So this is the solution for question number 8. And further, whatever the sums you have, you can do it by yourself, and whatever the doubts will be arise, we will discuss them in our online classes. Okay children, so hope you will do best. So all the best and complete this exercise.